Welcome back to M&M Rides, welcome to the channel. We're off for a weekend of camping up in Norfolk. Just on the way over to the Nubster. Fortunately, as with all our tours this year, we're going to get very wet tomorrow. The storms are lightning. Today's glorious, about 28. Now, it's my turn to cook and supply the food. So I've done a rendang curry, cut to that, and then we'll see you on the road. So we're just coming round to Nubsters House. So I've plotted the route on Moto. I'm just going to sort that out and get myself ready. Catch you on the road. We've got 20 miles left.
Oh, that fire smells lovely, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? So a shade somewhere. This is unreal.
I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to get set up and have a beer first, whatever.
Yep, that's the right one. Got you on Willows. That's a lovely pitch. You guys are going to love it down there.
Fantastic.
Yeah? Right, let's go.
Yeah. So here we are, we've made it to Norfolk, the Brickyard campsite in Norfolk. It's fantastic here, it's really good.
It's hot
So
today,
it
though.
was hot. Yeah, it has been 28, 29, which for any viewers that don't live in this country is too hot for us, but love it.
Cheers.
Anyway, I'll do a quick squiz around the campsite. There's the bikes. We've taken the panniers off, we've set up. I'm going to flip the camera and show you the rest. So there we go, you'll get a sort of a brick built fire pit, which we'll definitely be lighting up later, without doubt. And you're completely secluded. It's just one sort of group of you in this sort of little glade. I don't know what you'd call it. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So now we've got the chore of setting up. As you can see, we just threw everything in the tents to go and buy beer. And now we're going to have to reheat it here, and I'm going to use my Trangia. And we are not paid by Trangia. Don't all YouTubers say that? This big boy.
Right, Marky boy, what you doing? Tell me about it.
I have kept this secret from you, as I know, but I hope you're really going to enjoy it. But so I made up a curry for you.
A curry sounding good.
For us, and it's called a rendang curry.
Do you feel you know what you're doing?
Not really, because I'm trying to do two things at once, and blokes can't do two things at once. Well, I can't.
I've never noticed.
But it was about a year ago that I used this Trangia, and I've forgotten how it goes together. Probably play some Benny Hill music here. Dang.
I wish I got that when you dropped that.
That'll be on there. And the beauty with YouTube world is you can cut all this. So there we go. We got the burner together, look.
What a melt.
Why is everything with camping so fiddly? Right. That will go on there. Like that. Goes on there.
I'm quite excited about this. I've got my beer that is quenching my thirst, but I'm a little bit interested about the actual food itself.
Beer. So I thought, I mean, what have we done in last year? We did burgers.
Bangers and mash.
Bangers and mash we did. Oh, baked potato, wasn't it? And we just threw them on the fire. So this, I thought we'd go a bit more sophisticated. And we'll do a curry, and it's called a rendang curry, and it is awesome. Mrs H makes it, usually in winter, so I thought I'd have a go. So I actually made this by hand. There we go. So this has just got to simmer. And then Marky boy, you are going to do the rice when we're
Let's
ready.
look a close-up on what we're talking about here.
Looks a bit like poo at the moment, but trust me, it will rock. Oh yeah, that's just... I hope you're hungry.
That looks
There's loads
amazing.
in
I'm
here.
starving.
Good.
I cannot wait.
There we go. Oh, that smells good. Oh, yes.
Right, I'm coming in for a smell.
Yeah, you need to smell that.
That's good.
That's good, boy. And you're going to need a lid. This is the frying pan that comes with a Trangia, and it also, you can use it as a lid. That's way too hot. We need to come right down.
When do I need to start the rice?
This is going to need, I mean, Mrs H said about an hour, but we'll keep an eye on it. And then I've got some boil in the bag rice. We'll do it in you need to heat some water, just do right, boil it up, we'll be good. So this needs to go on a really low heat. And the good thing with the Trangia is you get this windshield here. So if it is windy and you've got to go on a low gas heat, it's still going to keep the heat in.
I've also started to prepare the fire so we can have a bit of burn up, just for everybody's, so they know. Mark decided that we needed 4 bags of logs tonight. So
every time we've been camping, we've got through all bags and we needed more. We like fire. Sorry, I just like fire. One thing with this channel is it's beers, bonfires, burgers, bikes, blokes. That's most things beginning with B. Get a shot in here, Marky. I need to show the viewers at home what that needs to look like. So you just need the little simmery bubbles coming up, just like that. And that's perfect. It's probably even still too hot.
I would say that's probably, yeah. It's more boiling than simmering.
Yeah, that needs to come down. These are amazing, these things. These are so hot. They're great. Okay, YouTubers, we will cut now and then come back when this is ready. Get the rice on, of course. And hopefully Mark will tell you what it tastes like. Bye. Oh, good lad, you got the fire going. Oh, show me the blower.
Right, here we are. We're in Norfolk camping. We've had the most fantastic meal. Mark has cooked us a curry tonight. It's what's the name of it, Mark?
Rendang curry.
Yeah, rendang curry. I have to say, my view on that, it was bloody beautiful. I really, really enjoyed it. The steak was done just right. We cooked some rice. All right, it's boiling a bag of rice, but unbelievably, it did turn out all right.
Yeah.
I was shocked. So that with the curry, it was phenomenal. I have to say, I'm well impressed. Mark's done a grand
Thank you,
job.
boy.
So yeah, we've eaten. We've actually been and washed up. Everything's clean. We've come back. I've lit the fire while Mark was, I don't know where. He went for a little
Wi-Fi
wander.
so I could send a message to
And,
Mrs. H.
So here we are. You can see the fire just on its early stages. It'll be roaring like a beast later on. So we're going to enjoy some of these. I've got one out for Mark so we can carry on.
Oh, you have?
We've got more in the pannier of Mark's bike ready for soon as he's finished that.
Over
And
there.
we're going to enjoy the evening. Just a little cheeky note, there's some bourbon in a little hip flask ready for later. So, yeah. I think we're
Oh, they're shook up.
cooking on gas.
What happened there?
It fell out your pannier.
Oh dear. Never mind. Oh well.
But day one has been great. Great campsite. Great
Yeah, I have
food.
to say the campsites are awesome here. I think it's one of the, probably the best one I've been to.
Yeah, I think so. From a biker
Yeah.
point of view, it's we've been able to come up and we've got this little secluded area, somewhere nice to put the tents up. We've got the tarp up as well, so weather's not looking too good tomorrow. I'm a little bit concerned about that, but we've put the tarp up ready for tomorrow so we can cook our bacon underneath there in the morning and then pack everything away in the dry. And then it's just the tarp to quickly pack up and before we head off home. But overall, great site. So this particular trip is all Mark's planning. So he chose the site, he chose the food. It's my turn next time, so I've got my work cut out, if I'm honest, to come up with something equally as good.
To be honest, I don't mind coming here. You just sort the food out. I like it here.
Bikes are all parked up, ready for sleeping overnight.
Yeah, they've done well today. Some of the roads up here are quite, bouncy, especially with the weight on it. Anyway, we're going to do some beer.
And we might do an update later on when we're a little bit worse for wear. But who knows?
Once the bourbon's flowing, we'll definitely do an update. So, we'll catch you then. Good morning. Well, it wouldn't be an M&M Rides trip without a bit of rain now, would it? Second time this year, this summer, we've been caught out. But oh well. Okay, so we're done. We've packed. There we are. That's where we were. All the bikes are loaded up. Problem is, the packing didn't go quite as well as it did on the way up. So it just doesn't fit. But we just rammed it in because it's going to rain again.
It hammered down last night, so we woke up to everywhere wet.
Yeah.
But thankfully we had our little canopy so we could sit under and cook bacon sandwiches and coffee.
Yeah.
So
Well fed this
relaxing morning actually, isn't it? So we're ready to go. Got about 2.5 hour journey home.
Waterproof's on.
Waterproof's on, ready.
Yeah, so we might stop for a coffee on the way back. But yeah, it's been a good laugh. We get better each time. Yeah. But still a bit of a art in the packing. So as you can see, there's Mark is packing. I mean, you probably would never be able to tell, but we can tell. So right, because it's going to be wet, we're not going to record anything on the way back. It's just going to be torrential.
See you soon.
See you soon.